Hey guys, in today's video we'll install BONOSS wheel spacer for the new BMW 4 Series. What do wheel spacers do on BMW?
Both wheel spacer and wheel adapters are a kind of wheel accessories that are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problem. By pushing out the wheel, you can gain a small amount for clearance for bigger wheels. Having a wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting performance parts without wheel scratching. Usually, the wheel spacers are used to solve the problem of the wheel not being flush enough and the wheel clearance. Apart from the same effect with spacers, wheel adapters can also change the PCD and CB conversion, which achieve the different wheel data installed. If you get a BMW a set of white body kits, like this BMW M4 body kits on your BMW 4 Series, the wheels stick into the fender about 50 mm. In this case, we need to install wheel adapters. The back of the BONOSS wheel adapters has unique grooves. That's our global patent active cooling design, which makes the external air flow in and takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.